You can create a split-screen text animation in Canva. First, set a background color for your page. Add your text, customize its style, and center it perfectly. Go to the Apps section and open Asset Sync. Use it to convert this entire text page into one PNG image. Create a new page with a white background and place the image there. You can delete the first page. Now, crop the image from the bottom to the halfway point. Duplicate this cropped image, then crop the duplicate from the top to the halfway point. You will now have a top and a bottom half. Add your main background photo to the page. Resize it, then use the Position and Layers options to send it behind the split text images. Duplicate this page to create 2 copies of your page. On the page 2, position the top text half near the top of the page and the bottom half near the bottom, creating a clear gap in the middle. Resize the background image fit the page. Click that transition icon between the first 2 pages. Choose the match and move, adjust its duration, and apply it between all pages. Finally, adjust the overall timing settings for the pages and apply the timing to all. Your split-screen text animation is now ready.